Hello everybody, Zeff here with ZeffsTrading. It's July 9th, 2024. This will be our chart lesson for today of the ES futures on the 2000 tick chart. Overall, just a trading range type of day. There's actually a couple good trades in here. Unfortunately, I just wasn't able to trade today. But nonetheless, there's some good ones in here and we'll go over them. So, during the pre-market session here in the beginning, we do have a nice first entry, second entry long failure here. The only problem is bearish outside bar, closing on its low here. You're basically going into the swing low. There's enough for like four ticks here, but you got to be careful. And overall, the market's extremely slow during the pre-market. But then with this nice move up, you do get a first entry, second entry short. Failure kind of goes up and then fails, traps all the traders here that are long. But you could also look at this as a first entry, second entry long. So maybe you take this one here. I think the signal bar needs to be a little better. Also, you don't know that this trend is going to play out. But there is room back up to the swing high here at exactly 2 points. So maybe go for a quick scalpel profit. And then we get this nice little bullish trend here after 1, 2, 3 touches here. We know it's confirmed. And we get a first entry, second entry long, higher low. And this one's actually pretty tempting to take here, but I think the signal bar is not that good. Overall, though, you do get a first entry, second entry short failure, and it rallies higher with a good signal bar with plenty of room to the swing highs here. And in this particular case, this is 7 points. Now, if you're going for 10 ticks or more, you do get it, but you just got to be careful and make sure you trail your stop loss. Okay, that being said, here we get a nice break. It tries to make an attempt higher, and it fails. We do get a first entry, second entry long failure again here, but too congested in doji bar overall. You get this nice downward move. Then you get a first entry, second entry short, but unfortunately it's a bad signal bar, so you can't take it. It attempts to make a new low here. You get a double bottom, matching bar wick here, as you can see, and then this is where the move comes up. Then you get your move up, you get your break and new high, testing, again, just an overall trading range, the low, swing high throughout the day. You get a move up here. It does a small pullback, sells off below the EMA. As you can see, price throughout the day has basically just been below and above the EMA. But here's a really good first trade of the day. Is you basically see this first entry pulls all the way back, second entry long, and it fails. And I'm sorry, this is improperly marked. This was not a second entry short. Failed second entry long here. Good signal bar, rejection off the EMA. And this would have just been a first entry from this swing low, but context-wise, first entry, second entry long, failure. Then you get another nice trade to enter on, which is a lower high here. And I think this one, you're just expecting it to break to a new low. There is a 1 point scalp here, but you're trying to get at least more than one most of the time. And, expecting it to come at least back down to the swing low here is a reasonable expectation. Okay, after that, you can get another first entry, second entry short, but overall too congested and not visually looking like a two-legged pullback. Comes to the swing low here, and then we get another first entry, second entry long, and it fails. So you have a failed second entry short here. First entry, second entry short, failure, good signal bar, making its way to the new highs with this nice bullish uptrend. And unfortunately, I don't see any way to get into this nice move up, back to the top of the trading range. But nonetheless, you do get another first entry pulls back, second entry long, 2 attempts to make a new high, and then it fails with a good signal bar. And this one has plenty of room to the lows here, with it being right at 10 ticks. Then you get this measured move of this leg here, as we can see, goes pretty much 1 tick above it. And then after that, you get this nice double top, sell off, and then for the rest of the day, it's just kind of this downward slope here, but price then respects the EMA, which is interesting. And then this one, you get a first entry, second entry short, and unfortunately, this is your signal bar, so maybe, you could argue, I should just re-enter on the next bar. You can't really do that, you're just breaking the rules, but you do get this really nice, basically double top or lower high, and this one's definitely the one to take. Okay, and then after that, we get a nice move down here, and you get a first entry, second entry short, clear, visual two-legged pullback. This is definitely, I think, the trade of the day. Clearly enough room back down to the lows here. So that's definitely the trade of the day. And then you can see it just kind of drifts slowly and bounces off. And sorry for the noise outside, people. That one. And then you get another first entry, second entry short, tries to make a new high, and then again you can see it kind of just drifts, and overall pretty choppy, noisy trading range for the remainder of the day. But that's pretty much how I saw the market for today, and hopefully tomorrow we'll get some better price movement. Looking for maybe a sell-off on the daily chart here, at least a small pullback to the 21 EMA, but we'll see what happens. Alrighty, hope you guys enjoy this chart review, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.